So here I've cut a piece of transfer tape. I actually used this to make a mold earlier. And I'm gonna place my cookie cutter down. Press nice and hard on that. I reuse my transfer tape because I don't wanna waste it. And the silicone comes up off of it pretty easy. And I'm gonna take my glue gun and just start going around my transfer tape. Being careful not to touch the hot glue. And this is gonna make a nice seal around your cookie cutter so that your silicone does not leak out. I've had it where I didn't have a really good seal and it's leaked out all over my work area. And I just like to go around it twice. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we've got that done. And I go ahead and I place my blank inside.